The Poco F7 Ultra, slated for a global launch on March 27, 2025, is poised to be a flagship contender in the smartphone market. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, it offers configurations of 12GB or 16GB RAM paired with storage options ranging from 256GB to 1TB, ensuring robust performance for multitasking and storage-intensive applications. The device features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels and a 120Hz refresh rate, promising vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling experiences. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate its versatile camera setup: a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization (OIS), a 50MP telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom and OIS, and a 32MP ultra-wide-angle lens. For selfies, a 32MP front-facing camera is housed within a centered punch-hole cutout. The F7 Ultra is equipped with a 5,300 mAh battery supporting 120W wired and 50W wireless charging, ensuring rapid recharging capabilities. Additionally, it boasts an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, enhancing its durability. Running on Android 15 with Xiaomi's HyperOS 2.0, the device offers a seamless and intuitive user experience. Design-wise, the Poco F7 Ultra is expected to be available in black and yellow color options, featuring a sleek aesthetic with quad-curved edges and narrow bezels. Pricing is anticipated to start at €749 for the base model, positioning it competitively among flagship smartphones.